Hello friends, in this video we'll see definition of permutation, how to write a permutation, what is identity permutation and how to find inverse of a permutation. Now let's see definition of permutation. Let A be any non-empty set, then any 1 and onto function f from set A to itself. Any 1 and onto function from set A to itself is called a permutation of A. It's called a permutation of A. For example, suppose set A is equal to in set 1 to 3 and f is a function from set A to set A defined as f of 1 is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 4, f of 3 is equal to 1 and f of 4 is equal to 3. Then you can see that the function f is 1 as well as onto function. See, now we see the function. See here f of 1 is 2 means 1 maps to 2, f of 2 is 4 means 2 maps to 4, f of 3 is 1 and f of 4 is 3. See here, you can see that this function f from set A to A is 1 as well as onto function, and therefore here f is 1 and onto function, and hence f is a permutation of A. Now we see how to denote a permutation. Notation of a permutation. Let set A contains n elements 1, 2, 3 up to n, and FB a permutation of A. Then F can be denoted by the following symbol. You can write F as write the round bracket and consider 2 rows in this bracket. In the first row, write all elements of set A. And in the second row, write images of corresponding elements. Means in this position, write image of 1, here write image of 2, here image of 3, and so on, the image of n. Let's see the example. We have seen that if set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and to A defined as f of 1 is equal to 2, f of 2 equal to 4, f of 3 is equal to 1, and f of 4 is equal to 3 is a permutation of A. Is a permutation of A. Therefore, we can write f as, in the round bracket, consider two rows. In the first row, write all elements of A, and in the second row, write images of corresponding elements. Here, image of 1 is f of 1, that is 2. Image of 2 is f of 2, that is 4. Image of 3 is f of 3, that is 1. And image of 4 is f of 4, that is 3. Means if you have any set A and you have a permutation on A, then we can write that permutation in this form. If we have any non-empty set, let A is a non-empty set with cardinality of A is equal to n. Cardinality of a set means number of elements in that set. Means here we are taking A as any non-empty set with it contains n elements. Then this set of all permutations, set of all permutations of this set A is denoted by the symbol S suffix n. For example, suppose we have a set A which contains 3 elements, 1, 2, and 3. Then set of all permutations of A is denoted by symbol S suffix 3, and it is equal to permutation 1 to 3, in which 1 maps to 1, 2 maps to 2, 3 maps to 3. Now here we are going to write all permutations of set 1 to 3. A permutation in which 1 maps to 2, 2 maps to 3, 3 maps to 1. A permutation of 1 to 3 in which 1 maps to 3, 2 maps to 1, 3 maps to 2, permutation in which 1 maps to 1, 2 maps to 3, and 3 maps to 2. 2 maps to 2, 1 maps to 3, 3 maps to 2. Three maps to 3, 1 maps to 2, and 2 maps to 1. Here you can observe that only these are the permutations of set 1 to 3. See, there is no permutation of set 1 to 3 other than this 6 permutation. See, in general, we can say that if we have a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n, and f is any element of Sn, then for this f, how many choices we have? See, we can write f as this symbol. Now see, for this position, how many choices we have? Set A contains 1, 2, 3 up to n elements, right? See, for this first box, for the first position, we have n choices. Suppose we allot any number from 1 to up to n to this box. For this box, we have how many choices? N minus 1 choices. For this box, we have n minus 2 choices. For this second last box, we have 2 choices. And for this box, we have only 1 choice. Means we can say that for first box, we have n choices. For second box, n minus 1. For third, n minus 2. For second last box, we have 2 choices. And for last box, we have 1 choices. And it is equal to n factorial. Means we can observe that set of all permutations of set 1, 2, 3 up to n contains n factorial elements. See, in particular, for n is equal to 3, S3 contains 3 factorial elements, and 3 factorial is nothing but 6. See, in S3 we have 6 elements. Similarly, S4 contains 4 factorial, means 24 elements. S5 contains 5 factorials, means 120 elements, and so on. Now we see what is meant by identity permutation. Definition. Let A be any non-empty set then a permutation of A, set A, is said to be an identity permutation of set A if each element of set A maps to itself. For example, suppose set A is equal to 1 to 3, then a permutation of set A in which 1 maps to 1, 2 maps to 2, 3 maps to 3 is an identity permutation. Second example, suppose set A contains these 4 elements, then a permutation in which 1 maps to 1, 2 maps to 2, 3 maps to 3, 4 maps to 4 is an identity permutation. Suppose set A is equal to set A, B, C, D. Then a permutation in which A maps to A, B maps to B, C maps to C, D maps to D is an identity permutation of A. Let's see definition of inverse of a permutation, or you can say inverse permutation. Let F be a permutation. Let F be a permutation of the set A containing n elements 1 to up to n. Then an inverse permutation of the permutation F is denoted by the symbol F inverse, and it is defined as F inverse. It is also a permutation in which first row contains elements of A and second row is nothing but images of function F inverse. F inverse of 1, F inverse of 2, F inverse of 3, and so on. F inverse of n. See, for example, we have seen that F is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, in which 1 maps to 2, 2 maps to 4, 3 maps to 1, and 4 maps to 3 is a permutation of set 1 2 3 4. See, you can see that in this permutation 1 maps to 2, 2 maps to 4, 3 maps to 1, and 4 maps to 3. Means f of 1 is 2, f of 2 is 4, f of 3 is 1, f of 4 is 3. Therefore, we can write f inverse of 2 is 1, f inverse of 4 is 2, f inverse of 1 is 3, and f inverse of 3 is 4. Therefore, here the permutation f inverse is permutation in which first row is 1 2 3 4, second row are images of corresponding elements under function f inverse. What is f inverse of 1? 3. F inverse of 2, 1. F inverse of 3, 4. And f inverse of 4 is 2. This permutation f inverse is a inverse permutation of a permutation in which 1 maps to 2, 2 maps to 4, 3 maps to 1, and 4 maps to 3. Okay. In the next video, we'll see how to determine a composition of two permutations. Okay. Thank you for watching.